Welcome back to Underwater Math. Help me add fractions and mixed numbers to advance to the next level. There are evil ninjas all around this place. When one approaches us, I'll use my ninja warrior skills and you'll defeat their math mind games they'll try and play. Oh look, here's the first one. 1 1/3 plus 2 4/6. The first model is showing us one whole divided into 3 parts with all 3 parts shaded and 1 out of 3 parts shaded in the second whole. The second model is showing us 2 holes with all 6 parts shaded and then 1 hole with 4 out of the 6 parts shaded. To solve this, we can't add 1 1/3 and 2 4/6 because they don't have a common denominator. We need to find an equivalent fraction for 1/3 in order to have a common denominator. Let's use the model to help us. Since 6 is a multiple of 3, we should have a spot where thirds and sixths line up perfectly. Oh, here. 1/3 lines up perfectly with 2/6, meaning they are equivalent. We can replace the fraction in the expression and solve. 1 2/6 plus 2 4/6 equals 3 6/6, which simplifies to 4. If this were just a game, you'd be crushing it right now. Watch out. Here's another one. 2 3/5 plus 7/10. The model is showing us 2 holes with all 5 parts shaded and a third hole with 3 out of the 5 parts shaded. The second model is showing us 1 hole with 10 parts but only 7 parts are shaded. Since the two fractions don't have a common denominator, we have to find an equivalent fraction again. Let's find where the fifths and tenths line up. Here we go. 3/5 is equivalent to 6/10. We'll replace the fraction and then add. 2 plus 6/10 plus 7/10 is 2 13/10, which simplifies to 3 3/10. Oof. Great job advancing me to the next level. See you next time when we subtract fractions and mixed numbers.